Hi, everyone. I am so happy you decided to join me today. If you've been wanting to try out cryptocurrency but were worried it might be too complicated, I have some great news for you. I am going to show you the absolute easiest and most stress free way to use Binance, which just happens to be the biggest and most popular exchange in the whole world. We're going to take it one step at a time so you don't feel overwhelmed. To make things even better, I have a little gift for you. If you look down at the description or the very first comment below this video, you'll see a special link. By clicking that link to sign up, if you use this link, you're actually going to receive a 20% spot discount and a 20% futures kickback. That's a double bonus that most people totally miss out on. Go ahead and click that link and let's get you set up and ready to trade together step by step. Okay, let's start with step one, creating your brand new account. Once you've clicked that link, you'll be on the Binance sign up page. It's very simple. You can use your favorite email address or even your mobile phone number. Just type that in and then look for the terms and conditions at the bottom. Give that a little check mark to show you agree and then click the continue button. Now keep an eye on your phone or your inbox because Binance is going to send you a 6-digit verification code. This is just their way of keeping you safe. Type those numbers in, click the continue button, and then it's time to pick a password. Make sure it's a good one, at least 8 characters with one number and one uppercase letter. Count is all ready. If a screen pops up asking for an inviter code, just make sure it's there so you can enjoy those extra rewards I mentioned. Step 2 is what we call KYC verification, which is just a fancy way of saying we need to verify who you are. This is great because it means your money and your account will be much more secure. Since we need to do a quick facial scan, it is much easier to do this on your phone. So go ahead and download the Binance app, log in, and it will take you right to the verification screen. Confirm your nationality first. Then you can choose whichever ID you have, your national ID, driver's license, or passport. They all work perfectly. Select Take Pictures and click Continue. Just take a nice clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Then follow the instructions to put your face in the oval frame on your screen. Finally, confirm your additional personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and home address, then click Continue. After that, select your occupation and click Continue again. Lastly, choose your industry category and click Continue one final time. The review process normally takes around 5 minutes, and after approval, you can confirm that your KYC verification has been completed successfully from your profile screen inside the Binance app. We are almost finished. The very last thing we need to do is set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is like a second lock on your front door to keep everything extra safe. Let's go back to your computer screen and find the Security tab in your account menu. Click on Manage next to the Authenticator app. When you click Enable, they will send one more code to your phone or email. Type that in and a QR code will appear. Now, on your phone, download the Google Authenticator app. Once it's open, click Get Started and then Use without signing in. Tap Add a code and then scan a QR code. Just point your phone at your computer screen to scan it. A 6-digit code for Binance will appear on your phone. Go back to your computer, click Next, type in those 6 numbers, and click Submit. And that is it. Your account is now super secure. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your account and you are ready to start your exciting adventure into the world of crypto. If this video helped you feel more confident, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides.